How to cook sweet potato? Of course, first you have to have a sweet potato with you. Wash it with foam to remove the dirts. After washing the sweet potatoes, put it in a cooking pan, or what do you call that? Ay, caldero. In Bisaya. And just put water above the kamote's level. The kamote, the sweet potato level is enough to cover, just like that. And wait until it will boil, or check when it's done cooking. We need to boil it for how many minutes? I don't know. The time now is remove the excess water.